In this video, I will talk about another clinical syndrome called ARS syndrome, its clinical features and management. ARS syndrome was named after the American pediatrician John Morton Ars and David Smith, who characterized it in 1968. It is a rare medical condition characterized by congenital hypoplastic anemia with some joint and skeletal deformities. Many cases of ARS syndrome occur without a known reason and are not inherited. However, some scientists believe that this may be caused by an autosomal dominant or recessive genetic defect. The genes important for making ribosomal proteins are thought to be involved. The anemia in ARS syndrome is caused by underdevelopment of the bone marrow. The clinical features of ARS syndrome are mainly related to anemia, and there are some other skeletal deformities. Enlisting them as pale skin, which is due to anemia, triple jointed thumbs, also known as triphalangeal thumb, absent or small knuckles, decreased skin creases at finger joints, inability to fully extend the joints, which is also called congenital contractures, narrow shoulders, deformed ears, droopy eyelids, cleft palate, mild growth retardation, soft spots, which are due to late closure of cranial fontanelles. There are some complications which may occur in this syndrome, naming them weakness and fatigue due to anemia, decreased oxygenation of the blood due to reduced erythropoiesis, decreased white blood cells due to underdevelopment of bone marrow, reduces immunity and increases susceptibility to infections. Heart defects, when exist, may cause functional disability and sometimes proves fatal. Stillbirth or perinatal death may occur in several cases. For diagnosis, we need a complete blood count that will show anemia and a decrease in the white blood cell count. An echocardiogram or echocardiography may reveal heart defects. X-rays will show skeletal abnormalities. A bone marrow biopsy may be performed. Now, how to manage this syndrome? There is no cure, but supportive treatment can be offered to the suffering patients. Blood transfusions in the first year of life to cope up with anemia. Steroid therapy such as prednisone has also been used to treat anemia. However, the use is controversial. Bone marrow transplant may be considered in severe cases where other treatment fails. Genetic counseling is recommended for affected individuals and their families to prevent the recurrence of the condition in their families. Thank you so much for listening. If you like the video, make sure to drop a like. Let me know if you have any suggestions in the comments below.